Okay, folks, for example number 3, they're asking us to use the test from the notes to decide whether the number is divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, and by 9 and 10. So we're going to test a lot of numbers here, okay? So let's do this. I'm actually going to write the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. And we'll write our answer next to them, okay? Now, first question. Will, does 2 go into the number 127,854?
Yes.
It does. And how do we know?
It ends in an even number.
It ends in an even number. Perfect. Thank you, Will. Could not have answered it better. Mo,
Yes.
does 3 go into this number?
Yes.
Yes, it does. And how do we know?
Because the sum of the numbers is 27.
So the sum is 27, and 3 goes into 27. There we go. Excellent. T, does 4 go into this number?
No.
No, it does not. And why not?
Because the sum of the last two numbers is 9.
Now wait a minute. For 4, we don't add up the last 2 digits. That's not the divisibility test for 4. Does anyone remember what the divisibility test for 4 is? Truman?
The number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4.
So if 4 can go into the last 2 digits, then it's divisible by 4. Does 4 go into 54? It does not. It goes into 56. It goes into 52, but it doesn't go into 54. 4 doesn't go into 54. Okay? Thank you, Truman. Thank you, T. What about 5? Does 5 go into this number? Raise your hand. Ashley? No. Why not?
Because the last of its digits is not 5 or 0.
Doesn't end in 5 or 0. Perfect. What about 6? Devin, does 6 go into this number?
Yes.
Yes, and how do I know?
Because I have it written down. Because it's even and because it is
Because
even.
2 and 3 go into it.
Okay.
If 2 and 3 go into it, then 6 goes into it. All right? What about 9? Does 9 go into this number? Mac?
Yes.
Why?
The same answer is 3.
Because
Sum of the digits is 27.
9 goes into 27. Excellent, Mac. Thank you. And the last one for us. Hank, does 10 go into this number?
No.
No. Why?
It doesn't end in a 0.
Because it doesn't end in a 0. All right. Do we see how we use that divisibility test? There we go. I'm sorry. I was still trying to get that written. There we go. All right. We can use those tests. We don't have to divide because that would take a long time to divide this number by each one of those. Makes it a lot easier. All right. Great job.